Hi, this is Inga from Art of the Brush. So today I will introduce a new course that is about landscape painting through Oriental brush painting techniques. If you have known me, you know that I have been talking about this topic in the last few years. And yes, here I am. And now I'm ready to bring this beautiful painting topic in front of you. So in the last few years, I have been planning and contemplating on this topic. So this painting course has gathered all my knowledge, experience, brush skills about this topic. So during this course, you will learn how to paint a different topic through accessible and simple brush exercise to learn the basic strokes and the understanding of the topic. During this course, we'll be touching how to use brush and to create the different strokes, how to mix ink and water, and we'll also apply Chinese color inks. The landscape painting is a one-year journey. We won't be surprised if we look into the nature and how much we can bring onto a page from the beautiful mountains, trees, and the birds. So to help you to navigate this learning journey, I have designed 4 modules with different painting topic of landscape. So in the first module, you will start to learn how to paint the trees by focusing on outline brushstroke. And then we will create mixed trees and also particular trees like pine trees, willows, and more. And in the second module, we will learn how to paint rocks. We will start with to look at the concept how to create an object and how to bring it into life with a tangible volume through creating brush textures. And then we will paint different type of rocks and bring them together to create a big mountains by following 5 steps of the process. And in module 3, we will continue to learn how to create still waters and moving waters such as streams and waterfalls and waves and also clouds. And then we will use a few painting examples to bring this element together into one page. And in the last module, module 4, we will continue to learn how to create figures, animals, birds, and architecture forms such as houses, palaces, and bridges and boats, etc. And most exciting part, the last one, is to bring everything you have learned throughout this journey and to paint some landscape painting examples with a medium scale. So each module designed to stand alone on itself, so you're welcome to purchase them separately. However, I will encourage you to follow the journey from beginning to end and really learn how to systematically to study and paint a landscape painting. And there is also a discount when you order them as a full package, which will be a great value for all the content and resource you will get. All the painting sessions will be recorded for later viewings, so you can learn with your own pace in the dedicated time and support. You will find more information with a link below. I hope you feel inspired and ready to join me. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to see you in the online class.